Big breath in. All the way out. Good. Out there. Keep breathing.
Mm-hmm.
Keep breathing.
There's nothing like that.
Oh yeah. Your spine has never moved quite like that.
I'm still kicking.
Oh yeah. Dr. Johnson would be proud.
He would.
Alright. Your head just kind of relax. That's beautiful. Ooh. That was good.
Oh yeah.
Alright, what do you think of your first ring dinger experience so far?
It's amazing. It's, I guess, a little more intense than I thought, but I'm really glad I did it, and almost 40 years of being compressed. It's nice.
Awesome. We love it. We're going to follow this up with the standard adjustments, so then we'll come back in here and we'll do a second one.
Perfect.
All right.